Hey y'all, it's Mary and it's day 23 of the Advent calendars, and I have the Ipsy calendar right here, and day 23 is pretty large. It's lightweight feeling. Let's see what's in there. With some brushes. I don't remember these, you know. Oh, these are pretty. These are, let me see. Very pretty. There's a set of 3. Well, it's in this plastic pretty good here. It is the SLS. What is the SLS? The SL Miss Glam. SL Miss Glam. And I can tell, I could tell that from the handle because see the little rhinestones. These are the, I'm not going to take them out of the bags. So these are beautiful, beautiful brushes. And like they say, you can never have too many brushes. So that is very nice in day 23 of the Ipsy calendar. And let me move that over here and we'll go to the Space NK, which is over here. Day 23 is long and skinny. And it's also lightweight. It says Jingle Bell Retinol. Oh, wow. Okay. This is the brand Medicate. So it's Medic, M-E-D-I-K with an 8. It's funny because I'm using this right now. I got this in Allure. Did I get this in Allure for November maybe? But I'm using it right now and I really like it. But I'll tell you, it is, now I think this is a full size. It is, yes, it is a full size. It's Crystal Retinol 6. Well, maybe what I'm using might be different. I think it's the same thing. It, I don't know if there's just not a lot in this tube, but I feel like I'm using it very fast, and I don't use a lot of it at a time. I use it every night, and it's this nice pump, and I like that tube because you can squeeze it out. You know, you can get, I'll be able to get every last bit out of it. So this one says, Crystal Retinol 6 uses part of your evening skincare routine to help soften and smooth skin, allowing it to awaken refreshed and radiant. And I really have been liking it. I just don't know that it'll last very long. It does say it's full size. It is 1 fluid ounce and it's 30 mLs. So there it is. It's hard to see. It is silver. I think it's picking up purple from me because it looks a little purpley to me. So anyway, that's what we have in the Advent calendars today. So count your blessings, y'all. Thanks for stopping by. And the Ipsy calendar, there is day 23 and the SL Miss Glam brushes. Beautiful brushes. See, the handles have the rhinestones. Very, very pretty. And the pink handles are really pretty too. The Space NK calendar, number 23, is here at the bottom. Tall and skinny, and it is the Medicate Crystal Retinol 6. Very nice product. Very nice product.